Do you know what's the weakest link in your supply chain? Excel sheets. Without a working solution, your ops team spends every Monday morning calling warehouses just to talk what shipped last Friday. In fact, teams lose nearly 500 hours a year collecting data from their ERP, from supplier portals, and from 14 different Excel sheets. The problem isn't the data, it's the fact that no one can see it all in one place. At Heizen, we help teams get out of Excel and back to what they actually love doing. This is your supply chain, all of it in one place. Your ERP, your 3PL, your supply portals, all talking to each other live. Instead of calling the warehouses on Monday, you just open this. Every shipment, every order, every status updated automatically. No manual entry, no version confusion. And when something goes wrong, a delayed shipment, a stock discrepancy, you know before it becomes a problem, not after. So if you want your supply chain teams to excel, get them off Excel